Alright guys, I have a crazy video for you guys today. So we're in the Jenny, we're getting ready to head to the gym, getting a little bit of a late start, but small job. So I have the Acura TL Type S. There's a front fender. It's got a little blob of touch-up paint on it. Somebody tried to touch it up. It looks terrible. It needs sanded out, probably some spot primer, paint blend, and then we're probably gonna try and do a clear coat blend into the fender try. We are going to the middle of nowhere to make this repair. That's right, going to the middle of nowhere. We have the Bauer cordless air compressor, so I need absolutely no power. Everything is cordless. My sanders, the paint source, the air, everything's going to be, I can literally go middle of nowhere and do this. When I say the middle of nowhere, not actually the middle of nowhere. We're just going to be going to like a local Lowe's or Home Depot parking lot. Maybe we'll get some spectators. And first things first, we're going to get to the gym. I'll work out, get my blood pumping a little bit. Need me a little caffeine. I think I forgot my dang caffeine stuff. God darn it, Marco. Worked out, and I made the biggest mistake. I went to Sam's Club and I ordered like everything off the menu. I don't know, I was like working out and just like felt like super starving. Well, we're back at the shop with all the race burners. We're gonna grab the TL, we're gonna pull that out of here. We're gonna take my entire mobile setup out of my Honda Accord, stuff it in my Acura TL, and we're gonna head on up to some random parking lot.
Scientific minds we have today.
Guys, we are on site. I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the we're going to unbox this compressor, check it out, make sure it fires up on the 3 and 5 amp batteries that I brought, and we will get started with the repair. Just want to make sure we got air first, and then we'll go from there. Otherwise, we're going to have to drive to Harbor Freight, and we're going to have to go get some 5 or 8 amp batteries or whatever they are. So, but anyways, we're going to unbox this thing. We'll get started. This thing is overly quiet.
today.
Now, one tip I'll give you as a professional mobile technician is always take your downtime, like when you're letting Bondo or primer dry, go ahead, clean up your work area, put away your bodywork bag, put away your prep bags, put away your tape and plastic, because you're already done with all those things, so you don't need them anymore. Clean up your area. That way, when you get ready to paint, and then you're done painting and you peel the tape off, it's like, oh, wow, this is nice. I already got half my stuff put away because I wasn't sitting around on my Facebook, you know, doing nothing, flapping in my thumb. So that's just a little tip. Alright guys, so you got two options when spraying paint of this small of a batch. Unfortunately, I don't have mixing cups on me today. You can mix it in your PPS cup, or option two, you can honestly just throw a little bit of reducer straight in that little gun. It's only a 4-ounce cup, or three, that's actually a 3-ounce cup, I think. Throw some reducer straight in the gun, and then go ahead and just pour a little bit of base coat in there, shake it up, good to go. That is the option I'm going to go with today. I'm going to put a little bit of slow reducer in there, put a little base coat, shake it up. The fender is already black because we use the black primer, so we're really just going to be doing like one coat, coat and a half, and we're going to be done this. Very smooth repair. Primer feather edge beautifully. Speedocoat aerosol primer always does the trick. And we're ready for base, guys. Base coat where our red Scotch pad is. Clear coat up to our gray Scotch right here. We're going to stop the clear right here. We're going to flip the gun sideways. We are not going to be spraying like this because we're going to get overspray out here. We're going to on our last pass right here, we're going to flip the gun sideways, come in, try not to get too much clear in that area. If we get a little bit, probably be able to buff it off, and we'll see what we can do here.
Tommy on a beat.
Alright, so there you guys have it. Probably the world's first YouTuber to ever attempt this cordless Bauer air compressor, 1.6 gallon, and do a blend on the middle of a fender. Could I have painted the whole fender with that compressor comfortably? Probably could have. Might have had to split it up in 2 sections, but probably could have done it. So, was this a flawless repair? Absolutely not. You know, I mean, I didn't have a tack cloth on me, so you know, it's got a little dust in it. The blend area where we were not painting got a tiny bit overspray, and you guys can see that in camera. That's okay. That is actually better. You don't want a hard line, so we'll just take microfiber and a towel over that and just lightly rub it a little bit with some polish, and that'll wipe right off. And for a parking lot job right in the middle of nowhere in a Lowe's parking lot, 90-minute repair start to finish. And that's slow for me. And the reason this repair was slow, I'm a little bit off today. Ate too much Sam's Club food, definitely feeling like a bloated turd. So I'm moving a little slower than what I normally do. And today is also Sunday. I mean, it's supposed to be my day off. Should be relaxing, but here I am making content for you guys because I love you guys so much. 90-minute repair, start to finish. Blend right in the middle of this frickin' fender. I mean, and that blend is smooth. The only spot that I got is this right here. You guys can see it. A little bit overspray in here. That'll wipe off, no worries. We have no hard lines. Orange peel is uniform compared to the rest of the body and the repair and whatnot. This for, it's at a parking lot job with not using optimal tools, using a cordless air compressor that is not designed for paint. I am happy. Like I said, guys, I was putting on that base and I was like, I don't know. Oh man, we might have to run in there and get it prevented.